Hi everyone, this is Hiba Nawab and we are doing fashion segment with the Times of India. Um, in this character तो मेरे कई कपड़े ऐसे हैं जो मैं रियल लाइफ में भी पहनती हूँ because I feel more comfortable when I'm wearing western clothes. I do wear Indians but बहुत कम ही से पहनती हूँ मैं Indian but I love wearing Indian clothes as well. So I'm wearing jumpsuits. I'm wearing what I'm wearing right now, leggings, jeggings, and ये amazing से top और skirts and combining it with crop tops and stuff. So it's pretty good and pretty nice. ये जो है because the character this time I'm playing called C.P. Sharma. She is a fashionista on from Delhi. तो वो अपना एक फैशन स्टेटमेंट बना के चलती है लाइक इन सच ऑन सच क्लोज शूल झुमकीज लाइक दीज सो आई थिंक ये मैं थोड़ा सा अडेप्ट करूँगी अपने पर्सनल स्टाइल में भी बिकॉज एवरी टाइम आई डू अ डिफरेंट शो and I adapt something or the other because we have great stylists working on our shows and I think I get so much to learn from them दैट कि वो मेरे फैशन स्टेटमेंट में जो मेरा एक है एक स्टाइल उसमें एक ये ऐड होता चला जाता है सो इट्स प्रीटी गुड I would have done everything because they have multiple rounds. Obviously, I don't like to expose a lot. So, bikinis and all hatake, I think I would have done saris, gowns, um, skirts. I really like wearing skirts. I would have done jeans. I would have done Indo-Western like palazzos and crop tops. So, I think I would have done everything. And obviously, I would need a good stylist for that to style me who knows my kind of fashion, who knows what I really like to wear and just मैं comfortable हूँ because if I'm not comfortable तो वो एक आप नहीं दिख सकते आप stylish या fashionable नहीं दिख सकते हो फोटो शूट में आई थिंक बिकॉज वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा हवाएं चलाते हैं एंड ब्यूटीफुल लाइटिंग सो आई थिंक कुछ फ्लोई सा गाउन हो जो उड़े या फ्लोई सी साड़ी हो everything larger than life ऐसा बहुत कुछ dramatic सा हो so I think that would be great and your hair always open properly and there are photo shoots जिसमें they want your makeup और लेकिन कपड़े बहुत ही बहुत सिंपल बट दे डू सो मच टू योर हेयर एंड मेकअप सो थीम्स के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है आई एम ओके विद एवरीथिंग so when I'm wearing a sari it depends what kind of a blouse I'm wearing so if it's like nice backless blouse so I would want to tie a bun or something or maybe just keep my hair at the front या फिर I'm wearing a lehenga or something then I would like to curl my hair and keep it open or if I'm wearing something very thoda formal then I would like to keep my hair properly straight and ऐसा एकदम middle parting करके एकदम properly neat look I would prefer so it depends I think I'm always in this pink peach zone when I'm wearing lipsticks but in this show what I'm doing right now जीजा जी छत पर कोई है तो आई एम डूइंग डबल रोल तो जो एक दूसरा कैरेक्टर है मेरे जो मतलब मैं डबल रोल प्ले कर रही हूँ तो एक तो इट्स लाइक दिस ओनली लाइक हाउ यू सीइंग मी राइट नाउ अदर वन इज़ बहुत ही ज़्यादा डार्क लिपस्टिक लगाती है वो और इट्स ऑलमोस्ट ब्लैक मरूनिश ऑलमोस्ट ब्लैक एक्चुअली सो वो ऐसी लिपस्टिक लगाती है तो शी इज़ वेरी ड्रामेटिक बट आई लव दैट टू समटाइम्स Personally, I hate wearing jewelry. Every time if I'm going out, stepping out with my friends and all, I've seen them wearing a lot of jhumkas, hoops and all. I'm like, I can't deal with jewelry. I hate wearing jewelry. But shoot ke liye and all, you have to wear like how I'm wearing the, big jhumkas and stuff. So I only like to wear jewelry when I'm wearing Indian or I have to attend a party. So then I have to accessorize myself. That's important. Then वरना तो I avoid wearing jewelry. I really like again I would say Deepika Padukone. I really like her styling a lot. And I've never seen her wearing, same type same zone में she's going on and on. I have seen her dresses in a lot of events, and I really like her, being all princess style, and sometimes like really bold. Um, so I really like, and I've seen her wearing Indian as well, and she has great body, of course. So I think she carries everything so well. That's it. It's great. Honestly, I would say my stylist is so good that मुझे ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ती है. He's getting all good stuff. But if he likes something, तो he says कि you know what, just get it on set on some particular day and just wear that because that looks really nice on you. So I am happy to do that. But he's so good that sometimes I just do not need to wear my clothes. I think I'm a watch person. I would like to wear a watch. Recently, I've started like from past 2 years, 2 or 3 years, I've been wearing a watch. पहले because obviously I told you मुझे jewelry का कोई भी piece पसंद नहीं है. But I started wearing a watch. I can wear ऐसे bangles and all I can wear when I'm wearing Indian. Obviously, I would want to wear that. But now all the time, I think I'm always wearing a nice watch.